This is the outside rack where if it's not too hot, we draw a knife all of the logs out here. And if it's too warm, we'll just put them on this roller rack and then we'll shove them down into the building on this roller rack and start all the procedures inside, where we'll draw a knife on this inside rack. And this is the draw knife area. That's a log that's already been draw knifed. And we square all of our logs off. That way we eliminate the settling problem that everybody has with the round logs, where you've got a big flat to flat. And this is an area where we temporarily stockpile a specific log. And this is where we do all the cutting and planing. Okay, we'll bring a log down here, roll it in, and we go over to this station and we'll pull up this lever and it brings the logs off the roller rack, and this is where we plane the logs using these 12¼ inch planers. And after we plane the inside and outside, and if it's a special timber or floor joist or post or beam, we'll plane all four sides. Then we'll go ahead, we'll let it down, and it comes to the chop saw here, where the chop saw cuts everything right to length according to our cut sheet. These are the cut sheets showing the plans, and we've got a list of every log, what wall it goes in, how long it is, the drill pattern that it's got. Then we put these Rolodex cards, we staple those on the end of the log, so it's got a log number, tells you it goes in the north wall, fourth course, and so forth. So it makes it idiot proof as far as putting them together. And every time they go ahead and cut a log, then they'll mark it off by coloring it. So we know that one is done, then we'll mark it off on our cut sheets at the same time. Then after the log is planed, this is a log that's already been planed and cut the length. Then we will come down here, and these are 3 drill presses that we use, that we had to make so we can have a 14-inch throw on the drill bits. And we'll drill for all of the bolts and the electrical outlets. This one here on the end is for the electrical outlets, and after we drill the holes, then we will actually route her out for where the box slips inside. And then this is a tag that's ready to get stapled onto the end of the log. And soon as we go ahead and router the end of this log with the router at this station, then they'll put the tag on here. And after that log is completed, tagged, rolls down the roller rack, and it goes to over here, where we will go ahead and put, depending on what size of logs, anywhere from 4 to 6 logs at a time. We'll pick it up with this forklift, and after we pick it up with this forklift, we'll bring it over here and we'll set it on here. And this is going to be a finished bunk. As soon as we get 4 more logs on this one, then we'll go ahead and wrap and band this one, and then it goes out the door, and we'll just store it outside That's another rack over there for the big long logs. And we'll just store it outside, and it's ready to be shipped as soon as we finish the whole entire process.